Good morning, everybody. Myself, Vineet Chaturvedi from Sri Ram Institute of Technical Education, Moli Barwala, Panchkula. I am the lecturer in applied chemistry. Now come to the topic solution. Solution contains solute and solvent. Now what is solute? The substance which is dissolved and is present in lesser quantity is called solute. Solvent, the substance in which solute is dissolved and is present in greater quantity is called solvent. Let's see. Solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Solute, for example, sugar, solvent, water, make solution. शुगर लेसर क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट होता है इसलिए सॉल्यूट, वाटर ग्रेटर क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट होता है इसलिए सॉल्वेंट. अब अगर किसी ऐसे सब्सटेंस जो मिलकर सॉल्यूशन को बनाते हैं उनको कंपोनेंट्स कहते हैं. कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन, ऐसे सब्सटेंस जो आपस में मिलकर सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं उनको कंपोनेंट्स कहते हैं. किसी सॉल्यूशन में अगर दो कंपोनेंट है केवल, जैसे कि शुगर एंड वाटर, तो इनको कहते हैं बाइनरी सॉल्यूशन. अब अगर किसी सॉल्यूशन में शुगर के साथ वाटर है या वाटर एज अ सॉल्वेंट है तो उसको हम कहते हैं एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. वाटर एज ए सॉल्वेंट है उसको हम एक्वस सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं. और वाटर को छोड़कर कोई दूसरा सॉल्वेंट है उसको नॉन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन कहेंगे. Now acidity. Acidity is the number of hydroxyl ions furnished by one molecule of base in aqueous solution. For example, in sodium hydroxide the number of hydroxyl ion is 1, and in calcium hydroxide the number of hydroxyl ion is 2. So the acidity of sodium hydroxide is 1 and calcium hydroxide is 2. Basicity. Basicity is the number of hydrogen ions furnished by one molecule of an acid in aqueous solution. For example, in hydrochloric acid the number of hydrogen ion is 1, and in sulfuric acid the number of hydrogen ion is 2. So the basicity of hydrochloric acid is 1 and sulfuric acid is 2. Equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of the substance may be defined as the number of parts by weight of the substance which combine with or displaces directly or indirectly 1 part by weight of hydrogen, 8 part by weight of oxygen, and 35.5 part by weight of chlorine. For example, in magnesium oxide, what is the equivalent weight of magnesium? Sixteen part of oxygen combine with magnesium 24 part. 1 part of oxygen combined with magnesium 24 upon 16. इसलिए 8 पार्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन विद मैग्नीशियम 24/16 into 8. So the equivalent weight of magnesium is 12 part. Calculation of equivalent weights. Equivalent weight of an acid is equal to molecular weight upon basicity. Equivalent weight of an alkali is equal to molecular weight upon acidity. Let's see these formulas with examples. Equivalent weight of an acid is equal to molecular weight upon basicity. For example, equivalent weight of HCl is equal to molecular weight H1 plus chlorine atomic mass 35.5 upon the number of hydrogen ion 1, 36.5. The equivalent weight of HCl is equal to 36.5. Now equivalent weight of HNO3 nitric acid is equal to molecular weight hydrogen 1 plus nitrogen 14 plus oxygen 16 into 3 upon the number of hydrogen ion is 1. upon 1 53 upon 1 is equal to 53. Equivalent weight of nitric acid is 53. Equivalent weight of H2SO4 sulfuric acid is equal to molecular weight sulfuric acid 1 into 2 plus 32 plus 16 into 4 upon the number of hydrogen ion 2. बेसिसिटी इसकी 2 हो जाएगी. Now 32 plus 2, 98 upon 2, 49. The equivalent weight of sulfuric acid is 49. Let's see equivalent weight of an alkali. Equivalent weight of an alkali is equal to molecular weight upon acidity. For example, equivalent weight of NaOH is equal to सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. मॉलिकुलर वेट निकालेंगे पहले. सोडियम 23 प्लस 16 प्लस 1 एंड एसिडिटी नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन 1. This is 40 upon 1. Equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide is 40. Next, equivalent weight of potassium hydroxide is equal to potassium hydroxide KOH. First of all, molecular weight potassium 39 plus 16 plus 1 upon number of hydroxyl ion 1. (56 upon 1). Equivalent weight of potassium hydroxide is 56. Equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide CaOH का whole twice is equal to molecular weight potassium calcium 40 plus oxygen 16 plus hydrogen 1 into 2 upon the number of hydroxyl ion furnished by one molecule of an base is equal to 1 और 2. नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन यहाँ पर कितने हैं? 2 हैं. अपॉन 2 74 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 37. इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज 37. Gram equivalent weight. Gram equivalent weight of a substance in the weight is the weight in gram which is numerically equal to its equivalent weight. It is also 1 gram equivalent. For example, the equivalent weight of oxygen is 8. Its gram equivalent weight is 8 gram. Strength of a solution. The amount of substance dissolved in 1 liter of the solution when expressed in gram is called strength of the solution. For example, if 4 gram of a substance is dissolved in 1000 ml of the solution, its strength is 4 gram per liter. Avogadro numbers. Avogadro number may be defined as the number of atom in 1 gram of the element or the number of molecules present in 1 gram molecule of the substance. Avogadro number n is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Mole. A mole may be defined as the amount of any substance which contain Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 of particles, atoms, molecules, ions or electrons of that substance and has a mass equal to 1 gram atomic mass or 1 gram molecular mass, etc., as the case may be. For example, 1 mole of hydrogen H atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms is equal to 1 gram. 1 mole of hydrogen H2 molecules is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 2 gram. 1 mole of water H2O molecules is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules is equal to 18 gram. Normality. The normality of a solution may be defined as the number of gram equivalent of the solute dissolved per liter of the solution. It is denoted by capital letter N. Mathematically, it may be expressed as normality N is equal to number of gram equivalent of the solute upon volume of the solution in liter. Units of normality is equal to equivalent per liter. Now calculate the normality of the following: HCl containing 3.65 gram per liter, Let's see solution. Equivalent weight of HCl is equal to, इक्विवेलेंट वेट अभी हमने पीछे इक्विवेलेंट वेट निकालना पड़ा है, मॉलिक्यूलर वेट अपॉन बेसिसिटी, मॉलिक्यूलर वेट अपॉन बेसिसिटी. मॉलिक्यूलर वेट 1 + 35.5 अपॉन नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयन 1, 36.5. वेट इन ग्राम पर लीटर और स्ट्रेंथ इज इक्वल टू, स्ट्रेंथ दी हुई है 3.65 ग्राम पर लीटर. नेक्स्ट, नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट वेट of HCl is equal to, number of gram equivalent weight of HCl is equal to weight in gram per liter upon equivalent weight of HCl. weight in gram per liter 3.65 upon equivalent weight of HCl 36.5, 0.1 equivalent per liter. Next, normality. Normality N is equal to number of gram equivalent weight of HCl upon volume of the solution in liter. नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट वेट 0.1 निकाल चुके हैं हम, और वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सोल्यूशन इन लीटर पर लीटर, सो 1, 0.1 इक्विवेलेंट पर लीटर और 0.1 N. एक और इसका हम एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. NaOH solution containing 2 gram per liter. Equivalent weight of NaOH is equal to molecular weight upon acidity.